But welcome back to another video in my channel, FIANCE Production, aka Ralph Valencia. Today we are making the famous YouTube viral thing in TikTok, social media, which is the Dalgona coffee. We're gonna create three things, not just the Dalgona coffee, but matcha latte and the Ube Dalgona. What we need is coffee powder. Alright, coffee powder. Is it coffee powder?
Do you just... Oh no, sorry, I thought you just took the brown sugar and called it coffee powder.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? I'm tripping.
Actually guys, this was not coffee powder. This is brown sugar, raw sugar. And we need this. This is a real coffee, alright? For our matcha, we bought this from Sunnybank. It's called matcha green tea powder. Yeah, it's made in, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's from Japan. And so for matcha, we're gonna mix it up with black sugar pearls. So we got this from Sunnybank Market as well. Tapioca pearls, alright? So what we're gonna do is just heat this up with hot water. For ube, mix it with purple yam powder. The product code is Mickey. You're gonna have the ube flavor extract, just to, pretty much it's a fake ube flavor. So while we're gonna heat hot water, 2 tablespoons of coffee. Similar quantity or quality, it's 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. You can do white sugar if you like, but I prefer brown sugar because it matches the color. It's 2 tablespoons of hot water as well. So that's 1, 2. Seriously, that's all you need. You can use the whisker if you like, but I think I'm getting lazy. I'll use the whisk machine. Or you can set it in high, low to medium, but it really depends. If you want to make it quicker, you can. This takes 5 minutes, alright? You're gonna use it for 5 minutes. I think that's perfect. Do you think so, Cara?
Yep. Yeah, a little bit.
Alright.
Lock it in.
Tell stop.
Yeah, that's good.
Look at that. Alright.
Ew.
Your face.
Bye.
Alright, give it a go, Cara. See what you think. You know, huh? Just whatever you want to try. Starbucks, Gloria Jeans. What else is out there? Please hire me. Hire me. How good is it? Huh? Nice? Would you recommend? Alright, Cara, time to clean up. Please. Come on, clean up. Alright, so Cara wants to make the ube, or she wants an ube, so what we gotta do now is to have coconut milk. Oh! Oh! We'll just do 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, maybe 2.5.
Okay.
Turn this thing bad boy on. Start whisking your egg whites. So this is a similar procedure on how to make the dessert called meringue. Yep. to put hot water, hot sugar slowly while you mix it. After this, the egg white should be safe to eat, according to Yahoo.
Maybe one, and then what, like a half of the extract?
I guess. Ooh.
Flop.
Good. I think that's enough.
That's plenty.
I think that's enough, guys. So put the bad boy in.
Oh,
Oh, look at that goodness. You know, sometimes I compliment life. You know, if I want to be an architect, a YouTuber, or a chef, I can do 3 things at once. What do you think, Cara?
yeah, sure.
It's Easter as well, so, you know,
Easter Sunday.
Easter
Jesus.
Sunday, so go to bloody online church, wherever you are, hit them up. I'm sure they'll do an online service, because God loves you. This is, you know, the day for Jesus Christ, our Lord, our Savior. You know, He sacrificed His life so that we are free as a sinner, and we can enjoy the goodness of, you know, God's creations. To do the taste test, what you do, oh, it's so thick. It's so much better than last time.
Nice.
So taste test, you do it like that. So good. Like this stuff, you can actually, like, you know, face mask. Like you can do this too.
That's nasty.
Like you can do that. It's so healthy, right? Look.
That's disgusting.
It's the best. Look.
Ew. Why don't you have a pretty face then?
Alright guys, I just look how beautiful I am. Look how beautiful this is. Secret product. If there's any left over, just slap it on, shake it, and look how beautiful I am.
I'm not sure about that.
Oh shit, oh take, pray them niggas go away. Oh, we sell the clowns around, it look like Circus Soleil. This is not the album either, these are just the throwaways. This shit's still so cold when it drop, it's gonna be a motherfucking story. Hey, boy, it's good and he knows it. He don't say it, he shows it. I'm just like DeRozan, if I shoot it, it goes in. I'm in Cali just coasting, get him so wet they need coasters. I got a selfie with Oprah, I just ain't ever posted. And I'm in my
Prison cut. Shout out to Joel. I'm gonna put a photo of Joel's head in here. We're back at it. So coconut milk, I'm gonna make sure it's more organic, more Filipino, sort of the island life kind of vibe. So hopefully, apparently it says to shake before opening. All right, done. I can already smell it. Oh dude, it reminds me of Shargao.
Hey, what happened in Shargao?
Okay. COVID, Bryant. Swish.
Oh.
Coconut milk, babe. Oops.
Oh, step.
What's that? Put that bad boy in. Oh yeah. Done. Beautiful. Fantastic. Amazing. We're gonna give this a try. Oh, it's really good. It's really good with coconut milk. Put the hot water in.
It's all in there.
She's in here. Yeah, she's in here. She's in here trap.
Oh yeah.
So just use 2.5.
Whoa. Fail. Oh, that was so messy.
Final product. But yeah, just put the ice, milk, pearls, and lastly the matcha, and that's pretty much it. I think that's good to go. All right, yum.
It's good.
Is it?
Sakurai has like a running.
A competitor. It's pretty good. Must say it's maybe 8 out of 10. Not the greatest, but it's pretty good. I don't know how to end the video. I don't have a conclusion. But hey, if you like the video, slap it on, slap the like button. If you hate it, just close it, just like it. Alright? Till next time, I'll be posting another video every week, maybe. Let's see how busy I am. But subscribe if you like it. You know, be in this journey together with Kara, such as the Dalgona challenge, making it. It was really fun. I hope you guys enjoy it. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay home, and social distance as always. Alright, peace out guys. Boom.